Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to return an item on Temu. So firstly, in order to return an item on Temu, you need to open the Temu app, and from here make sure you have already signed into your account. And next is you need to select your U icon in the bottom, that is your profile tab, and from here you need to select your orders in the top to view your recent purchases, and over here you need to find the order containing the item that you want to return and tap it to open the order details and select the item that you want to return. Then you need to select return or refund or a similar option if it is available, and you need to follow the on-screen instruction. Choose a reason for a return from the list provided depending on the reason, and you may also be asked to upload photos of the item or describe the issue, and follow the on-screen instruction to complete your return request. And once Temu receives and inspects the returned item, your refund will be processed according to the company's return policy. And that is it. That's how you can return an item on Temu. By following the return process in the app, you can request a refund or replacement for eligible purchases. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.